How to Make Japanese Ramen by HowExpert Press. If you want to learn how to prepare and cook Japanese ramen, then check out this How to Make Japanese Ramen guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn the following: how to make ramen broth, how to make chicken broth, how to make pork broth, how to make miso ramen, how to make shoyu ramen, how to make tonkatsu ramen, how to make vegetable ramen, plus get useful tips on how to prepare vegetables. Be guided in a step-by-step way in preparing the base and toppings, and much more. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.